Welcome to this video. Today, we're diving into the top 5 free WordPress themes that can help you build a stunning and functional website without breaking the bank. Whether you're a blogger, small business owner, or looking to create a portfolio, agency, or business site, this review will guide you to the perfect theme for your needs. If you're a WordPress developer offering themes, plugins, or any related services, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to showcase your work in an upcoming video. Let's get started and find the best fit for your next project. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, head to the left sidebar and click on Appearance, then select Themes. From there, click on the Add New button at the top to browse and install new themes. Among the many amazing themes available, today I want to review and showcase my top 5 favorites. These themes stand out for their clean design, versatility, and powerful features, making them the perfect choice for a variety of websites. Let's dive into each one and see what makes them great. First up is Neve, a lightweight and versatile WordPress theme known for its clean, modern layout. It's fully responsive, ensuring your site looks great on all devices, and it loads quickly for improved performance. Neve is perfect for blogs, portfolios, or small businesses, with easy customization options and a range of starter sites you can import in just a few clicks. Plus, it's compatible with popular page builders like Elementor, allowing you to create a professional site without any coding. The second theme on our list is Jadro, a beautifully designed, versatile option perfect for blogs, portfolios, and business websites. What stands out about Jadro is its sleek, modern layout that balances style with functionality. The layout is highly flexible, allowing you to choose between different sections and elements, so you can easily tailor it to suit your brand. Whether you're showcasing your personal blog, creative portfolio, or company information, Jadro's responsive design ensures your site looks fantastic on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Next, we have Expose Business, a sleek and professional theme designed with businesses and online portfolios in mind. What sets this theme apart is its clean, modern layout that perfectly balances style with functionality. The layout is well-structured, offering a straightforward navigation experience that makes it easy for visitors to explore your site. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or entrepreneur, the layout of Expose Business helps establish trust with your visitors while making your content easy to digest. Overall, Expose Business is perfect for anyone looking for a clean, professional, and easy-to-use theme that will give their website a polished, corporate feel. The fourth theme on our list is Radiant Portfolio, and it's perfect for creatives looking to display their work in a clean, stylish way. This theme's layout is designed with simplicity and elegance in mind, making it an ideal choice for photographers, designers, and artists. The grid-based design allows your portfolio items to shine, showcasing them in an organized and visually appealing format. Radiant Portfolio's minimalist approach ensures that the focus stays on your content, while still offering enough customization to give your site a unique look. Its responsive design guarantees that your portfolio will look stunning on any device, from desktop to mobile. Whether you're showcasing a few key projects or a large collection, this theme offers a flexible layout that adapts beautifully to your content. Now, let's dive into the final theme on our list, Pari. This theme stands out for its modern, flexible layout and clean design, making it a perfect choice for a wide range of websites, from personal blogs to e-commerce stores. What really sets Pari apart is its focus on user experience. The theme offers a minimalist design with plenty of white space, which not only makes your content easy to read but also creates a visually appealing layout. Additionally, Pari is compatible with popular page builders, giving you even more control over customization. From adjusting colors and fonts to adding widgets and changing page structures, the possibilities are endless. If you're looking for a theme that combines a sleek design with flexibility, Pari is definitely a theme worth considering. That's it for today's review of these fantastic free WordPress themes. I hope you found the perfect one for your website. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.